Honestly, you're very humble और आप हमेशा बोलते हैं नहीं मैं क्या you always do this शून्यगिरीness with yourself. So here's what I want to ask you. When somebody tells you you're going to be a teacher, I think ideally if I know the Tiger I know you'll be like no मैं teacher, you know, this would have been your reaction.
Actually सीखना मुश्किल है, सिखाना और भी आसान है for me खास करके, क्योंकि if it's in your body already तो मुझे उस कोई भी स्टेप का चाबी पता चलता है मुझे कि मुझे कैसे सीखना है उसको, नवाज जी को क्या बताना है, उनके लिए आसान कैसे करूँ स्टेप को कैसे तोड़ के बताओ उनको, तो it becomes easier for me.
But इस गाने में you're looking like a lost teacher, you're like my God मैंने क्या किया है, ये आपका ये expression है, तो swag में तो नहीं नजर आ रहा है मुझे कहीं.
नहीं वो तो खैर एक्टिंग था, वो तो नकली है. हकीकत में it was fun teaching नवाज जी, क्योंकि बहुत ही मेहनती एक्टर है and you know whatever he does he puts his 100% too, so it was fun teaching him.
तो कितने बारी if you took like 10 times to learn a step, how many times do you think he took? Like
I think खास करके क्योंकि नवाज जी एक you know he's never danced in his life before.
हाँ.
तो हर स्टेप के पीछे कम से कम 100 बार तो हम प्रैक्टिस करते थे.
100 बार?
I'm exaggerating a little bit, but
no,
काफी.
You know, Tiger, I think the biggest joy in life is to be playing a part, like what you really are. Like you are a lover of Michael Jackson, and to be able to get this role. How thankful are you for that? Just quickly before I give you a surprise.
मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा thankful हूँ क्योंकि you know I like to thank my director Sabir Khan क्योंकि he's given me a chance to exploit you know most of my potential so early on in my career. So I'm very thankful that I got a chance to live a character like this. The character Munna is also very close to my heart, खासकर क्योंकि मैं जब भी मुन्ना के बारे में सोचता I think about my father. So you know for me it's a 2-in-1. I got both my heroes, Jackie Shroff and Michael Jackson.
Wow. Next question.
Tiger, hi, Minnie from India Today. So a lot of Hollywood stars are complimenting you these days, be it Sylvester Stallone, and recently even Tom Holland, after seeing your amazing dance moves, could not stop complimenting you. So how do you take all this, as in such a short period of time in the industry, all these Hollywood stars?
Well, thank you. It's very overwhelming actually. First of all, when Sylvester Sir had tweeted for us, you know, that was really motivating and very kind of him to, you know, say such lovely things because the whole team was motivated after that. And as for Tom Holland, you know, I'm a big fan of him and I'm a big fan of the Spider-Man franchise. So that's like another, you know, high for me and very overwhelming. So I'm very thankful to both of them. Yeah.
Also, Tiger, since you've just been part of this Shiksha movement, so a little out of context, but then there are so many kids reality shows these days, right? And at a very young age, kids participate in these reality shows. So do you think somewhere it affects innocence of the kids or anything?
Not really. I think it's great because it gives a child the right direction. It channelizes all that restless, positive energy that they have. And it gives them direction from a very early age, which is fantastic. And yeah, that answers your question.
But Tiger, सुजीत सरकार ने हाल ही में ट्वीट करके कहा है कि इस तरह के रियलिटी शोज जो है वो बैन कर देने चाहिए. उस पे क्या कहेंगे?
Oh, I don't know. मैं उनसे पंगा नहीं लेना चाहता हूँ, पर मेरा जो व्यू है वो थोड़ा अलग है. I believe that you know it's very nice to education बहुत ही important है, पर extra curricular activities भी ज़्यादा important है. I think for a child to have a balanced life, you know, I think it's very important to have that exposure of extra activities. पढ़ाई सब कुछ नहीं है.
Any other questions?
Yeah. Hi, Tiger. This is Ankita from Republic. My question is for both of you. Two things about Munna Michael which nobody knows. Nawaz ji and Tiger both.
किसी को नहीं पता तो आपको कैसे बता दें?
सर इसीलिए तो हम जानना चाहते हैं. It's exposing. Anything which is unique and you could tell us.
बताएंगे, धीरे-धीरे बताएंगे थोड़ा.
मतलब सब 20th जुलाई को पता चलने वाला है.
हाँ, मतलब
21st.
21st July, sorry. Also, Nation really wants to know one more thing. All right, so Bollywood and politics, they both are very interrelated, and there's a movie coming up, Hindu Sarkar, जिसको लेके बहुत ज़्यादा controversy अभी हो रहा है. So Congress जो है उसको बहुत protest कर रही है. So do you think कि movies को politics से ज़्यादा influence नहीं होना चाहिए, something like that? Thank you.
ये किससे पूछ रही हैं?
Can you repeat the question?
Guys, let's focus on film.
सर क्यों फंसा रहे हो?
Any film related question next?